Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you want that clear, glowing, Korean-style glass skin, then you'll love today's video. I'm going to show you how to make an amazing Korean rice toner using just a few simple ingredients, all from your kitchen. Start by washing half a cup of rice 2 to 3 times to remove dirt and extra starch. Now, add 1 cup of clean water and soak the rice for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, swirl the rice with your fingers for a minute. It helps activate the nutrients. Then strain the water into a clean bowl. Now comes the best part. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 3 tablespoons of rose water. Aloe vera gives deep hydration and cools your skin, while rose water balances the pH level and adds a beautiful natural fragrance. Pour your rice toner into a clean glass or spray bottle. Use this toner after washing your face, morning and night. You can apply it with a cotton pad or spray it directly on your skin. It instantly refreshes your skin, tightens pores, and leaves a soft glow. With regular use, your skin tone will look brighter and healthier. Thanks for watching.